Here's a new question from Quora. How do I copyright a brand name? I'm Andrei Mincov, the founder of Trademark Factory, and here's my answer to this question. Well, you kind of don't. You cannot copyright a brand name. Copyright is also part of intellectual property, a type of intellectual property, but it's very different from trademarks. Copyright protects content, protects books, music, photographs, videos, software, but it does not protect brand names. Copyright is not designed to protect short phrases, is not designed to protect individual words, is not designed to protect brands, is not designed to protect brand names. The only type of intellectual property that really protects brands is trademarks. And that's what you have to use if you want to protect your brand name. So there's no reason in the world you would be copywriting your brand name, but good for you for thinking in terms of, yes, I need to do something about my brand name so that I own it. So if you do want to do something for your brand that would really allow you to secure it as yours, you would do that through a trademark. Now, I hope this answers your question. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe now and get notified whenever the next video goes live. And more importantly, if you have more questions about branding, about trademarks that you want me to answer, make sure you post a comment below and I'll shoot a video just like this one. And until then, I will see you in the next video.